Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. If you're like me and you are sick and tired of looking at your rusty rims all winter long, stay tuned. We're going to do a quick fix on this and we're going to do it on a budget. I have got a 4.5 inch wire wheel that's medium stiffness, and we're going to take this and we're going to clean that wheel up so that it looks like that wheel. And a reminder when you're doing this, when you're using a wire wheel or any kind of power tool, make sure you're wearing eye protection. These things come out and they will stick in you like bullets. So be good to your eyes, you only get one pair. So there's probably a couple different ways you can do this. I have chosen to use the angle grinder with the wire wheel because it's quick and it's easy. If you don't have an angle grinder, you could always take some probably 120 grit, 150 grit sandpaper and take this down. I am not taking this down perfectly. As you can see, I'm just kind of taking the bubbles off, and the problem is, you know it's going to rust again. We're just kind of making it look nice. We will keep on going. So once you've got the tire all cleaned up, I'm actually going to use some brake cleaner. If you have any parts cleaner, anything that's going to just take that rust or grime or anything. Nice part is pretty high pressure. Make sure, again, you have your safety glasses on. You don't want this stuff in your eyes. Let it dry and we'll be ready for paint. So the next thing we're doing is we're going to take some of this painter's tape. We're going to do a nice protective ring around the edge of this. Let's get this protected and get a coat of paint on it. So that took way longer than I expected. If anybody has a better idea of how to protect that edge, leave your comment down in the comments section below. Yeah, give me your ideas. If it's something that I didn't think about, please let me know, because that took way longer than expected. Okay, so the stuff I've got for this, I've got some regular trim clad professional. That's the French side for anybody that speaks French. And for the English side, it is the high performance rust enamel paint. Got the fast dry stuff so we can get the tires on right after we get this done. So far, I am absolutely impressed. This looks absolutely fantastic. Now the paint has hardly had much time to dry, but I'm gonna get this off of here and just show you just how nice that looks. Let's get it up beside one of those rusty old tires to do a comparison. Alright, here we go. These are the tires that we started with, and after a little bit of elbow grease, this is how beautiful it looks. So, trim clad, gloss black. I am pretty confident that one can is going to take care of all 4 tires, no problem. So, if you don't want your tires looking like this again this winter, take a little bit of time and gloss them up a little bit. As always, thanks very much for coming by the channel today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like so that you don't miss out on any of the future videos. Have an awesome day and we'll see you on the next one.